I was in Dubai Mall in the EPIC Expo. EPIC stands for Eco-Wise Progressive Informed Customer. And I was speaking about fuel from waste. A lot of people coming, a lot of people curious about it, and a lot of nationalities coming. Then suddenly a middle-aged German gentleman walked up to me. He said, you're standing in the mecca of retail consumption, and you have 50 milliliters of biodiesel in your hand, and you're trying to say that you saved the planet? Who are you trying to fool? Toastmaster of the day? There are Toastmasters? Yes. How often have you been in such situations where you do not know why you're doing what you do? We are landing up in such situations because there's a lot of influence on us. There's heavy marketing around us. We are working in an environment where things influence us. We are carried away by trends. We tend to land up in projects, take up jobs that are assumed to be okay. And we start using jargon, excellence, quality, governance, sustainability. But do we really understand and relate to this? Going back to the example that I gave you, what was I trying to tell people when I was standing there? In Dubai, people cook less at home, they go to malls, they take fast food. So there's a lot of fast food like KFC and Mac. There's a lot of frying going there, a lot of used cooking oil. This used cooking oil, if not handled properly, blocks the drains. So the municipality wants a better way of handling it. So it's better to convert it into biodiesel. It can be used. It's an option. It's a possibility. I was trying to tell people that this is possible in Dubai. Instead, what did I tell them? I told them, this thing will save the polar bear, will reduce the global warming. I was in the middle of the desert. People have not seen a polar bear. Petrol is cheaper than water. What are you talking about making fuel from your frying pan? So, this question, who are you trying to fool, did influence us a lot. We went back because we were thinking, at any point, we should be able to answer every question confidently, with conviction. We looked at ourselves, we have to believe in ourselves, believe in what we're doing first. We have to this actually changed the way in which we're thinking. The processes changed, the way we approached it changed. Eventually, what did we start saying? We went to schools, asked kids to bring cooking oil from home. We converted to biodiesel to bring their school bus. This is possible to do this. We went to the restaurant, told these guys, there's a better way to dispose of your cooking oil. Give it to us, and fuel the RTA buses. We went to the fleet managers and said, see, biodiesel is available, greener, same price. Why don't you buy it? So, today, shortly you'll hear an announcement. Dubai is going to have 5% of its fleet sustainable oil fuel by export to 20. You'll feel an announcement coming. So, this is happening. So, do you think it happened in Dubai because Dubai wanted to make the world green? No. Biodiesel, any fuel business, there is money. There is money in biodiesel, there is money in fuel trading, and that's why it's happened. But to get it to this point, what happened? When we originally, remember the question, who are you trying to fool? When we looked at the processes, when we started to look at things, we started changing our internal values, internal radars, and this helped us change the way we are looking at things. This helped us reprocess, look at things differently, which took us to this point. quite often when you attack problems like this, you can see these changes, but it's very difficult to see the changes. I gave my example of the project that I was involved to just give you an example that these things happen. These things are possible. So, in line with the theme of the day, where it's fuel from the frying pan, I'd like to leave some food for thought for all of you. It's before you green the world, you green your thinking. You green the values that you're believing in. That's a better way to approach it. Thank you.